case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a high-stakes court battle, Anthony and Shirley Olbres, owners of design consultants, were taken to task by the government over allegations of income tax evasion, involving a staggering $750,000 in unreported funds from 1987. The landmark United States v. Olbres trial, which was heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit in 1995, centered on the prosecution's burden to present an ironclad case, convincing a jury of the guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The Olbreses, who had built design consultants from the ground up since its establishment in 1974, were accused by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, of woefully understating their taxable income on their 1987 tax returns. Taking on the bookkeeping duties, Shirley Olbres operated part-time from home, keeping track of the financials through an invoice log and journals. Their accountant was tasked with preparing their tax returns from the data given. In a legal twist, the Olbreses were originally convicted by a jury. However, the district court later overturned the conviction on grounds of insufficient evidence. Subsequently, the government, unwavering in its contention of fraudulent understatement, appealed the district court's decision. In a turning point, the United States Court of Appeals rebuffed the district court's ruling, asserting that circumstantial evidence, like lavish spending, coupled with arithmetic analysis, sufficiently proved the defendants guilty of tax evasion. The court strongly backed the maximal use of circumstantial evidence to establish guilty knowledge and intent in fraud cases, and reinstated the conviction. In their rationale, the court advanced the idea that a taxpayer's decision to remain uninformed about inaccuracies in their return equated to intent. They also held that juries have the right to interpret evidence in various ways without interference from the judge. Furthermore, the court critiqued the district court for misapplying the legal standard and underestimating the influence of the government's proof regarding intent. In the wake of this ruling, the judgment of the district court was reversed for erring in its application of the viewpoint principle. In essence, the court should have favored the government's theory prior to considering any hypotheses of innocence. The United States v. Olbres case thus served as a stark reminder that underreported income and tax evasion carry weighty legal consequences. This decision underscored the role of circumstantial evidence in tax cases, while illuminating the nuances and complexities surrounding juristic interpretations of intent within fraud cases.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.